In this video, I will guide you how you can add another account in WhatsApp on your iPhone. So if you are using WhatsApp on your iPhone and you want to use two numbers, just like the Android have the feature to use or add another account in your WhatsApp at the same time. Unfortunately for the iPhone user, this feature is not available. So the only alternative way is you need to simply install the WhatsApp business on your iPhone and then integrate your new phone number with the WhatsApp business. This is the only way right now that you can go with, because as I said, right now there is no such a feature for the iPhone users. Maybe in the future WhatsApp release this feature, but for now you just need to open up WhatsApp business and enter your new mobile number and then simply make an account. Hope this helped. This is how you can add another account in WhatsApp.